So I just want to do a quick video about these guys today, yellow belly sliders. These and the red ear sliders are all banned within the UK. Now to me this is a silly law because it's causing a lot of issues. These guys I rescued the other day. I can legally keep them for up to 6 weeks, but they are going to a turtle sanctuary next week. If you do find these guys, because it is illegal to rehome them, which again is a bad thing, it's causing a lot of issues. What you need to do is call local turtle sanctuaries or sanctuaries in the UK. Most of them will take these guys on. Now, like I said, I do not agree with this law. These are absolutely brilliant creatures, but sadly, people have released them in the wild. But this law is making more and more people do it because you can't sell them on, you can't rehome them, and not everyone knows you can get to these turtle sanctuaries. So these guys were abandoned, they were left in a pond outside, and then this is a part because of the ban. If I were to try to keep these for the rescue, I could get a limited fine and even up to imprisonment for keeping them, which again is a stupid thing. But these guys will be going to a turtle sanctuary very, very soon. So if you do need it, please reach out to myself. I can send you somewhere that will be able to help you.